Hello guys and welcome back to Johnny Lettuce. Today guys, it's Halloween and we're going to show you a new website that will make you $2,000 on this very day. So let's check it out. You're going to want to drop to trickortreat.org. Okay guys, once you're there, you'll notice the beautiful logo and a message. Make your pick. But beware, you don't want to make the wrong choice. So, do you go trick? Do you go treat? I am not feeling for tricks right now. I think I'm gonna want treat. So we're going to go ahead and select the treat button rather than the trick button. Let's see what happens, guys. Whoa! Guys, I got the right sock of Zaldingwild. Guys, this is crazy. An estimated value of $402,000. That's so much for a sock, as we all know. All it looks I have to do is transfer this to my Quimblesocks account. Oh guys, look at the detailing on this thing, and it's so extended. I mean, Zaldingwild must have had such a long foot, because look how long this foot area of the sock is. Beautiful. In 3 colors. I mean, you never see 3 colors. That's probably why the value is so high. I mean, the design is intricate. There's 3 colors. I mean, this is amazing. So all you got to do, guys, as the message states, is don't forget to transfer your treats to your QS account. Guys, QS stands for Quimblesocks. Here's a sock. Let's check it out. So all we have to do here is press the transfer button, and we are brought to the transfer screen, guys. So we have trickortreat.org right here. Transfer your treats to Quimblesocks.com. It looks a lot like the one from Klein. I think because Quimble made this. So you just search your treat. I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera and make sure everything is sorted out, guys. So if you want more videos just like this, let me know down in the comments. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.